Hi, I'm Ruth Rodriguez from BioBalances, a nutrition and health education coaching service. I help clients improve their health by educating them on better food choices and lifestyle changes in either English or Spanish. Though I help with common health conditions, I like to focus on assisting families in their children's weight management. I've always enjoyed promoting nutrition and health education. In fact, by the time I was 22, I had already overcome some childhood health issues with diet alone, such as being overweight and allergies. That's why I received my bachelor's in nutrition and dietetics from Loma Linda University. Then I went on to further my education by pursuing a master's in holistic nutrition education from Hather University, which has trained me to help others to improve their health and my own even more. From all that education, I decided to develop Healthy Habits for Life, a workshop geared toward children and families. The workshop is comprehensive and unique education teaching tool and a resource guide. It consists of 4 sessions of 1 to 2 hours. The concepts are practical and can be used daily. Each entails hands-on activities to take home and practice with family and peers to reach healthy lifestyle changes. Come, join my podcast on my YouTube channel to hear more about healthy habits for life. You can also reach me by email at ruthrodriguez@biobalances.com. See you then. Bye for now.